Ciao, I'm Chiara from Filo e Segno and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet these beautiful granny earrings. Granny squares are such an iconic part of crochet history. This project is simple and fun and quick too, so it's perfect for beginners. For this project I use Câble 5 from Mondial in these beautiful colors, a 1.75 millimeters hook, earrings hook and two little rings and a pair of pliers and of course scissors and needle. Okay, first grab the lime color, then do a magic ring. So now chain 3 and remember this counts as your first double crochet. Then we do 2 double crochets more into the ring. Now chain 2. Then we do another group of 3 double crochets into the ring. Chain 2, then we do another group of 3 double crochets into the ring. Chain 2 once again, then we do the last group of 3 double crochets into the ring. We will have a total of 4 groups of 3 double crochets. Now chain 2, then pull the tail, then join with the slip stitch into the third chain. Okay, this is the first round. Now cut the yarn, do a simple knot, then weave the tails inside the work. So grab your tapestry needle and weave the tails inside the work. Okay, now I want to change a color, so all we have to do now is to insert the hook into one of the 4 corners of the first round. I choose purple, so I do a slip knot, then insert the hook into the corner and insert the new color. So now chain 3, and remember chain 3 count as your first double crochet. Then we do 2 double crochets into the same space. Now chain 2, then we do another group of 3 double crochets into the same space. So now chain 1, then we move directly into the second corner where we do 3 double crochets, chain 2, then 3 double crochets as we did before. chain 1, then we move into the next corner here, into the chain 2 space of the previous row, where we do 3 double crochets, chain 2, then 3 double crochets. Okay, chain 1, then we jump directly into the last corner, where we do 3 double crochets, chain 2, then 3 double crochets. And now chain 1, then join with the slip stitch into the third chain. And now we are ready to cut the yarn, then weave the tails inside the work as we did before. Okay, now we are ready to do the last round. So grab a new color. I choose the black yarn and insert the hook into one of the 4 corners of our granny, as we did before. Insert the new yarn, then chain 3, and remember this counts as your first double crochet. Chain 3, then we do 2 double crochets more into the space here, and now chain 2, then we do another group of 3 double crochets into the same space. So now chain 1, then we move directly between the group of the previous round, where we do another group of 3 double crochets. Chain 1 once again, then we do an increase into the next corner. So we do 3 double crochets, chain 2, then 3 double crochets. Chain 1, then we do one group of 3 double crochets into the next space, the space between the 2 groups of the previous round. So now chain 1 and do another increase into the next corner, and continue to repeat this until the end of this round. And now chain 1, then we join with a slip stitch into the third chain as we did before, and of course we are ready to cut the yarn with the tails as we did before. Now do another one And then we are ready to insert the earring hook using a little ring to join the earring hook on the little granny square. I place the little ring in one of the corners using pliers. And of course do the same with the other granny square. The Grannymania earrings are now complete. I want to show you some other ideas I've made before. These earrings are really quick and funny to make, and I think it is very cute and very summery. And it's a great project to use some leftovers yarn. This project is a great gift for yourself, for your friends and family members, so I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Let me know in the comments down below. Remember to tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you create your Grannymania in Italian or Grannymania earrings. I will leave all the links that you need in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on bell icon to get notifications. So thank you for watching. And I see you in the next video. Ciao and tanto love!